Hey gang, guess what? It's time to unbox another Imperfect Produce. Reduce food waste by eating the stuff that's not cosmetically perfect for the grocery store. Yes, hashtag Cooking Ugly and Imperfect Produce will donate 5 pounds of produce to a local food bank. So, gonna post that, get a little donation, and guess what? If you're watching this and you're in Boston or Providence or Hartford, that's the next city that Imperfect Produce is coming to. Starting July 15th, so leave me a little message, comment something. I will give you a link for $10 off your first box. Let's find out what's in my box. Which, by the way, the box makes an excellent cat toy or to put your recycling in. Okay, first off, butter lettuce. Please tell me what's wrong with this butter lettuce. Like, why is it not? What makes it imperfect? I mean, it seems like perfectly good. Then I've got 2 ears of corn. I'm a good Ohio girl. I love me some corn, especially sweet corn. Get that. Yes. Then I have some plums. Now it's stone fruit season. We're coming into it. Love it. Got a couple lemons. This one's a little on the small side, but we're good. A couple really excellent green pears. Some sweet potatoes. I love taking sweet potatoes and a little black bean and making a little taco with it. Maybe some of this corn too, a little corn salsa, because I can also make corn salsa because I have tomatoes. Oh wait, I got 3 of them. This one's a little light in color, but it's still gonna be yummy. Then finally, I've got some apples. This one's a little, it doesn't want to know if it wanted to be red or green, but I'm sure it'll still be edible. And that is my Imperfect Produce. Again, if you want to start cooking ugly too, leave a comment. I'll get you $10 off your first box. And until then, next time, stay cooking ugly and eating ugly and just enjoying all the good fruits and vegetables. Peace.